Hello to anyone who may be listening, mostly Johan. Hello, I'm going to tell you about voting in America. The sort of most typical parties are the Democrats and the Republicans. With the whole process, there is the primary election, which is the selection of the presidential candidates, which happens between January and June. There's many Republicans running for president, and the Republicans are represented by the elephant, and the Democrats are represented by the donkey. And the first two states to cast their ballot is Iowa, who does it on the 1st of February, and New Hampshire on the 9th of February. And after the whole choosing of the presidential candidates, the candidates then choose a vice president nominee. And after that, both candidates they hold conventions, which are these large meetings of members of a political party. And after that, it's about getting the votes secured in each state, where the states actually often change their allegiance to a political party, and they often the candidates they often try to secure votes by holding fundraisers and rallies and conventions to get out to people, and each state has a number of electoral votes, which is based on the popularity of the state, and the candidates with the most votes then win, and a candidate can actually win with a combination of states where they then reach the 270 votes needed, but without then winning the majority vote across the country. And I think you should vote so to take part in the whole thing. You get to have an influence. You don't get to just sit by and get to complain if you don't play the game. You don't get to sit afterwards. You feel like you have an influence on the electoral vote, on the presidential vote, sorry. And you get to support the cause you're passionate about. You get to have a part in who gets to represent America, who gets to be the face of America, who gets to make the decisions. You want the right person to make the decision for America, not someone who wants to build a wall, for example. And you get to support the causes that maybe be very close to you, which you're passionate about, such as gay marriage and abortion and economy and stuff like that, which could have a huge result in the future. So I think you should vote to take part, have no influence, and be in a part of that who gets to represent America. So go vote, people, and bye, Johan!